Looking for a garage door repair service you can trust? Discover key tips for finding a reliable company that ensures quality and satisfaction. Start by researching and comparing multiple companies in your area. Look for those with strong customer feedback and a professional online presence. Verify the physical location of the company. A reputable business will have a verifiable address and office space. Check online reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp to learn about past customer experiences and ensure the company has a good reputation. Years in business often correlate with expertise. Choose a company with extensive experience in handling various garage door issues. Ask for recommendations from neighbors, family, and friends. Personal referrals can help you avoid unreliable companies and save time. Confirm the company's credentials and ensure they operate with transparency. Check their BBB rating and read direct customer testimonials. Watch out for red flags like unclear business names, lack of an established location, and excessive advertising. Evaluate the company's customer service. Look for quick and responsive communication, professionalism, and a willingness to explain repairs. Before hiring, ask about the warranty policy on both labor and parts. A reliable company will offer a service guarantee to ensure your peace of mind.